Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be making a scrunchie. So for this project I have with me already. I cut off. For this project I'll be using one piece of fabric 30 inches in the length and 4 inches in the width. Also I'll be using 8.5 inch piece of 1/4 inch elastic and one safety pin. So let's get started. Like this, right side facing each other, and then you want to stitch right here. So I'm going to stitch that. So 1/2 inch, back stitch, so the next thing you want to do is the top layer. You want to fold it like this, and then the bottom one you're going to open it like this, and you're going to make sure the other one is inside, and then pin. And then we're going to start stitching. So you want to start stitching. Back stitch. And then you're going to fold it in as you go along, and you keep stitching, making sure that you don't stitch your bottom part. And you're going to pull. You're going to keep pulling and stitching. So you want to put the elastic through the hole. So the next thing you want to do is tie a knot like this, and you're going to make sure that you do it really well because you don't want it to loose. So now we're going to close the opening with a stop stitch. So I'm going to stitch it. Back stitch. Now you have made yourself a beautiful hair scrunchie. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.